back to another video. This week I've done our shop at Sainsburys, and it's quite a big one because it seemed like one of those weeks where I'd sort of run out of a lot of things in the cupboard. I'm going to try and get the bill down a little bit going forward because I am kind of running away slightly with the budget. But I have got quite a lot for my money, I think, and lots of sort of healthy, tasty food and quite a nice meal plan. So hopefully you will enjoy the meal plan and it might give you some ideas for your family. I upload these videos every week. I do a grocery shop and a meals of the week video and then a few others in between as well. So if you haven't already subscribed, don't forget to hit the button. And let's get having a look at what I grabbed from Sainsbury's, and then the meal plan will be at the end. Okay, so as always, I will start with the fruit and veg. So I've got some plums. Like I mentioned, I've got some slightly different fruit because people seem to be going off the usual. So I really like plums, so I've got some of those. And then I've got some berries. So I've got raspberries and strawberries. And then I really like nectarines as well. The boys like these. So some of the white flesh nectarines, and they are actually ripe and ready. They feel ready to go. I got some large oranges. Yanis really likes these in his lunch, so I got a pack of those. Henry requested kiwis, so I got a pack of 4 kiwis, and then also an avocado to go in salads. And then the veg, I've got some baby corn and mange too, which is for a Thai green curry. Got our usual head of broccoli, a couple of red onions, some mixed peppers for various dinners, and a cucumber. And then I've got 2 packs of these baking potatoes. I'm going to use some for dinners and then some for lunches. Fancied having jacket potato with cheese and beans or tuna for lunch. So I've got 2 bags of those. And then I've also got some bananas as well, our usual loose bananas. I think there's 8 there. And then some more chilled bits. I've got an vanilla oat milk, which is for coffees. And then Archie had one of these the other day, a small bottle, and really liked it. And it was on the Nectar prices. So I got one of these. It's the Invigorate Innocent Smoothie. So I got a bottle of that. Henry likes it as well, so they'll share that. And then yogurts, I got Yanis 2 of these Greek honey ones. These are his favourite ones. So I've got a couple of those, and we are still getting the little jarred yogurts as well from the milkman. So I just got 2. And then, as I've mentioned before, I only really like raspberry yogurt. So I've got 2 different ones to try. So I've got this Taste the Difference raspberry and cream yogurt, which doesn't sound vaguely healthy, but looks really nice. And then this one is the Yeo Valley Greek recipe peach and raspberry, which sounds really nice as well. So I've got a couple of those to try because I do occasionally like a yogurt, but only really sort of raspberry ones. So I got those. And then these were on offer for 75p, so I got them for the boys. So I got a 2-pack of the Rolo and then a 2-pack of the Milky Bar desserts as well. They're quite a nice small pot for them to have for a pudding. So I got those. For Sunday, I got one of these peach and raspberry trifles. Now that the weather's a bit warmer, I thought that'd be quite a nice summery pud. So I got that, and it was on a Nectar for £2. Henry requested some cocktail sausages because he likes to have like a picky plate at the weekend for lunch. Probably didn't need that many, but they were only 75p more than the 20 pack. So I got that, and I thought Archie likes them as well, so I'm sure they'll get eaten. And then I've also got some of this French ham just for sandwiches. And then I've got some of our usual extra mature British cheese and some Clover Light because I've run completely out. And then the meat for dinners, I've got a lamb mince because I'm going to do the lamb ragu that we did for Hello Fresh a while ago. Everyone really enjoyed that, so I'm going to do a lamb ragu with that one. And then I've got a beef mince to do a chilli with. Henry requested nachos, but instead of nachos I'm going to do beef chilli and rice, and then I've got some tortilla chips that he can have on the side because that'll be a bit healthier than just having a bowl of crisps basically for dinner. So I'm going to do chilli with that. And then I've got a 1.6 kilogram pack of chicken, which is going to be a couple of dinners and also some salads for lunch. I've got some bacon and some Cumberland sausages. We're going to have steak at the weekend for dinner. So when we have steak, I'll do the boys' sausages. I think we're going to have steak, egg and chips. So I'll do the boys' sausage and chips. So I've got some nice Cumberland sausages. And then I've got a gammon joint this week for roast. So I actually ordered the Stamford Street one, which was £4, and they subbed it for this one. So I'll get the difference back in a voucher. So I've got that for Sunday. And then the store cupboardy bits, I needed some Yorkshire tea. So I've got a box of that, which did bump the price up slightly. And then the tins, I've got some red kidney beans in chilli sauce, got some peach slices for pudding, some coconut milk for the Thai green curry, and a couple of tins of chopped tomatoes for various dinners. And then hiding down here, I've got some red wine stock pots, which are for the lamb ragu, and then some Thai green curry paste for the Thai curry, surprisingly. Some vegetable oil, got some enchilada kits. I'm going to do chicken enchiladas one day. A passata, probably will use that in some of the dinners, but if not, it will just stay in the cupboard until I need it. Got basmati rice. I ordered a kilogram pack and they subbed it for 2 500-gram packs, but that's fine. Got some penne pasta for the ragu. And then got some coffee. So I've been sent a coffee grinder, which I'm going to be reviewing in the next few days, which is good because, as you know, Yanis loves his coffee. So I've ordered some of these Lavazza espresso beans so we can grind those up in the grinder and use in the coffee machine. So I've got some of those. And then our coffee machine actually takes ground coffee and the pods. So I've also got some of these Starbucks blonde espresso roast coffee pods as well for the machine. So I've got those. And then the other sort of store cupboardy bits, I've got 2 of the golden multi-seed bread mix. I did this in the bread maker last week and it's really, really nice. So I've got 2 of those. Got some Bear Yo-Yos for the boys for after school snack. 2 bags of the organic apple and blueberry rice cakes, again for the boys for a snack. And then I saw these crisps and they had good reviews. Chicken Slovaki flavour, hand-cooked crisps, fragrant Greek-inspired summer edition ones. So apparently they're really tasty. So I've got those for us to try. The tortilla chips are, like I mentioned, for the chili, and then obviously we'll snack on the rest of those. The bakery bits, I've got a couple of Danishes there for Yanis and I to have with a cup of tea as a bit of a treat. Got some crumpets for breakfast, some seeded bagels for us to have eggs at the weekend. A rather naughty tiger baguette for probably do cheese and ham at baguettes for lunch. And then the freezer bits, I've got some salt and pepper chips, which are probably going to go with the steak when we have steak, egg and chips, or I'm going to do a Nando's takeaway. I've got a Nando's seasoning in the cupboard, so I'll use the chips for one of those dinners. A bag of super sweet corn just for the freezer, some cheese and garlic bread slices, some Yorkshire puddings just to keep in the freezer for our roasts. And then the last thing in the freezer was some of these white chocolate ice creams. They're like Sainsburys version of white magnums. They were really good price, so I got those. I thought we can all have one at the weekend as a bit of a treat. And then the last thing is just the non-food items. So I got a big pot of these multivitamin gummies for the boys. You get 60 in there. I think they were a £5, but that will do them a month for both of them. And then I got the usual ibuprofen and paracetamol that I always get. So that's everything that I grabbed from Sainsbury's. I'll put the final price on the screen for you now. And like I say, it was a bit pricey, but I needed to get like the oil and the tea and bits and bobs. But I am going to be trying to rein the budget in slightly over the next couple of weeks. So yeah, but happy with what we got. Got some tasty bits and bobs. So let me know what you think. And I'll pop it all away and then I'll share with you the meal plan. Okay, so our meal plan is Monday we're going to have lamb ragu with garlic bread. Tuesday I'm going to do chilli and rice with tortilla chips. Wednesday Thai green curry. Thursday, I'm probably going to use some pork loins out of the freezer, I think, and do some sort of potatoes, probably mash and veg with that. Friday, we're going to have steak and chips, and the boys will have sausage and chips. Saturday, I'm doing enchiladas and some homemade wedges, and then Sunday will be roast gammon. So that's our meal plan for this week. I hope you've enjoyed the video, and hopefully you'll all tune in on Sunday to see these meals. So if you haven't already subscribed, don't forget to do that before you go, and thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you all really soon. Bye.